Hey friends, it's Mrs. Walker. For our lesson today, we're going to work with counting coins. So our learning goal for today says, I can recognize the value of coins and count up to find their total value. So the materials that you'll need for this lesson are your dry erase board, and you'll need some coins. Now, if you don't have coins, that's okay. You can just follow along on through the lesson. I'll have pictures of all of the coins. If you want to be able to actually touch the coins and move them around, then you'll need to have coins. But otherwise, you'll be okay if you don't have them. So make sure that you at least have your dry erase board before we get started. All right, friends, so let's count some money. Now, before we count some money, we need to review our coins. So what is this coin? Feel free to just say it out loud. Yeah, it's a penny, right? What is its value? So how much is it worth? That's the value. Yeah, it's 1 cent. What is this coin? A nickel. What is its value? 5 cents. All right, so what is this coin? It's a dime. What is its value? 10 cents. You got it. All right, so what is this coin? Yeah, it's a quarter. What is its value? 25 cents. All right, so now let's get into counting some coins. So what is the total value of these coins? I want you to pause the video and I want you to count the total value of those coins. Now remember, you're looking at the value. So we know that a dime is worth 10 cents and we know that a penny is worth 1 cent. So you have to count all of those. We don't want to say 5 because that's just how many coins there are. We want to know the value of these coins. So pause the video, find the value, count your coins, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. All right, so here we have 23 cents, right? 2 dimes is 20 cents and 3 pennies is 3 cents. So when we write the total value of coins, we use this symbol, the cent sign, right? So it's like a C with a line through it. So here we have 23 cents. Let's count the money together this time. Let's start with the dimes. So here we have 10 cents, right? Now, as we're counting, we don't have to say cents. It's okay. We can just add the cents on at the very end. So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 cents. Okay, so let's count again. This time, let's start with the pennies. So last time we started with our dimes, now we're going to start with the pennies. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got to add a dime. Well, a dime is 10 cents. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, 13 cents. And now we got to add another dime. So 13 plus 10. Yeah, 23. Whew, had to pause there for a second. I wasn't sure. So 23 cents. So we counted 2 different ways. We started with the dimes and got 23 cents. And then we started with the pennies and got 23 cents. Which was easier? Counting dimes first or counting pennies first? What do you think? Oh, so many of you said counting dimes first, right? Counting by tens and then ones was easier. I happen to think so too. Now, some of you might have said, I can count it either way, and that's okay, that's fine. But for this lesson, we're going to talk about counting easier, or it can be easier to start with the largest coin value. Okay, so that's one of our focuses. We're going to try that with our next problem. So what's the total value of my coins? So you're going to pause the video, start with the biggest coin, right? And then find the total value. Click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. All right, so here we go. So we have 25, 30, 31. Did you guys get 31 cents? Okay, awesome. If not, just rewind it just a little bit so you can hear how we counted those again. All right, so now I want you to write a number sentence to show the value of 1/4, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. So that means you need to have 3 add-ins in your number sentence. So it would be like blank plus blank plus blank equals, and then you have to give the total too. So pause the video, write your number sentence, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. All right, so here's my number sentence. 25 plus 5 plus 1 equals 31. So we can write our number sentences to match how we count our money to find the total value. All right, so what's the total value of my coins? So here's another one. You're going to pause the video, find the total value. For this one, you don't have to write a number sentence. You're just counting your coins. So count your coins for the total value, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, pause if you need more time. So here we have 25 plus 10, right, that's our dime, is 35, plus 1 is 36. So we have 36 cents. All right, so what's the value, the total value of my coins? So here's another set. And this time I want to make sure that you write the total with your cent sign. So practice writing that C with the line through it after you find your total value. So pause the video, find the total value, write it with the cent sign, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, here we go. So we have 1/4, which is 25 cents, another quarter, which is 25 more cents, which gives us 50, plus a dime, which is 10, is 60, plus another 10 for our dime is 70, and plus our nickel, which is 5, is 75. So we have 75 cents. All right, let's look at another one. So how much money do we have here? I want you to pause the video, find the total value, write how many cents there are with the cent sign, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. All right, so here we have 25 cents, plus 10 cents, which is 35 cents, plus 10 more, which is 45, plus 10 more, which is 55, plus 5 more, which gives us 60, plus 1, 61, plus 1, 62. So we have 62 cents. Did you guys get that one? Okay, cool. All right. So we're going to check out another way we could count these coins. Okay, so here's my same coins that I just did in the previous one, but I'm going to show you a different strategy. So here we're going to start with my quarter, which is 25 cents. I'm going to cross off this quarter because I'm going to jump around with my counting today. And I want to cross it off so I don't accidentally add it twice. Okay, so that's a great strategy. So make sure you cross the coin off as you add it. So 25, I'm going to jump to my nickel, which will give me 30. And that's making a 10. That's a friendly number, right? So now I'm going to cross it off. I'm going to come back to my dimes. 30 plus 10 is 40. Cross it off. Plus another 10 is 50. Cross it off. Plus another 10 is 60. Make sure to cross it off. Plus my penny is 61. And another penny is 62. Cross them off. So look, I've crossed them all off. So that means I've counted all of these coins. Even though I counted them in a different order, that's okay. So we still have 62 cents. Whether we went straight across and counted, we got 62. Or we moved around to make a 10, we got 62. So by adding the quarter and the nickel first, we made a 10. So let's try making a 10 first with the next set of coins. All right. So what's the total value of my coins? So here's another group of coins. You're going to pause the video, but try and make that 10 with that friendly number to be able to help you add on. So pause the video, find the total value, making a 10 first, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. All right, so here we have 25 cents, Let's make that 10 with a nickel. So there's 30. Cross those coins out so we don't add them twice. Now let's come to my dimes. So 40, cross it off. 50, cross it off. 51, 52. Now, friends, here we have 52 cents. What I want you to notice is that when I crossed off my coins, I did not scribble scrabble all over them. I made one line through them, so I didn't waste time scribbling or coloring them in. The one line is a very efficient way of just marking it off so you know that you've already counted it. Okay, if you want to give a quick X on it, that's fine too. Just make sure you don't go into the other coins on accident. Okay, so friends, there's different ways that you can add coin values, right? So you can start with the greatest coin and add on to that. You can make a 10 first and then add on to that as well. So there's different strategies for being able to add and find the total value of coins. So nailed it. Good job counting the value of groups of coins. Please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends!